Hey! Sheriff's office, drop the gun! Drop the I'ma light your ass up! Get on your face! Get on your face! You're doing over.
On June 4th, 2025, officers on patrol noticed a car speeding through traffic. Upon trying to conduct a traffic stop, the suspect fled recklessly through neighborhoods and caused a crash.
Hey! Sheriff's office, drop the gun! Drop the I'ma light your ass up! Get on your face! Get on your face! You're doing over the yard! I will kill you right now, you understand me? Reach! Do one more thing! He threw the gun over this yard. No. Back up. You reach on the ground, motherfucker! Reach for that waistband, you're gonna get shot, you understand me? I do not care! Put your other hands up! Yes, sir. I do. You got hands? Reach around that waistband again! Did we get the ship? Female, there's female passenger. Keep your hands up. You reach, we will use force against you. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get on your face. Yes, sir. Get on your face. Give us your other hand now. Yes, sir. Give us your other hand. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Right now, we got him. We got driver in custody. Stand up. That's my video. You threw it right over this wall? Get up. Any weapons on you? Yeah, 10-4. 10-4, please. Can I help you out? What's your name? We're gonna do this? We're gonna play like that? More charges? We already got you, bro. I'm not again. What's your name? We are playing this game. We're gonna new charges? More charges? No, I don't want new charges. Well, you're gonna get new charges. Too late. Okay.
While searching for the weapon, officers hear commotion nearby.
My knees up.
Let me see your hands! Come here, sir. Come here.
You're trying to get in my house.
Turn around.
Push it up.
You got this, Jimmy.
Where did she come from?
You just put your hand up since you're pulling that fence.
Look down. We got you. We got you. Please don't leave phone. Please don't leave phone. Please don't leave phone. See, we're still doing shit for you. Let's go.
Can you grab me like that, please? Grab my please. Come on.
Again, you're gonna keep asking me for shit. I'm gonna keep telling you. I love you. The best thing I did for you is not shoot you. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's go. Get off the curb. Let's go.
Hey,
not
sir.
playing
Yes,
with
sir.
you, dude.
I'm walking. Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go?
To the cop car.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any other weapons on?
No, I don't have nothing.
Get in. Get in. I'm not playing with you, dog. Get in.
Alright, I'm getting in. But please,
Your chance to say goodbye.
please.
Actually, your chance to pull over and go to jail for driving drunk because you smell like it. Is that why you ran? Is that why you're an idiot? Yeah? You almost died over that shit, dude.
There's something else with it.
It looked like it, but like I don't know, it could have been like clothing or something.
Is that guy convicted felon?
We don't know that. We haven't even ran him. He wanted
He's 49 and all.
to play the name game.
Oh, well, he's RO of the car, so they have him.
Oh, all right. Then I already got him.
Execution 17 primary.
Try under the trigger. Sometimes they're right here.
Do you know how to drop this? Okay. Where?
Sometimes they're right here. Usually you're here and here.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it, dude. It's just, can you give me the, let me go grab a
You're
notepad or
not
something?
convicted felon yet. He just took a.
You transported too?
I'm not. You asked the question, I said the only answer I have, dude. I don't know.
Come on, this is. I thought we were about to have a crime scene here, dog. God damn, that's a big old mother, bro. What an idiot, dude.
Dude, he's lucky he's not dead. We found it, bro.
You already had your chance. You already had your chance to tell us your name. It's too late now.
We found it.
Well, can I think about it?
No, fool.
So let me.
Hey, the mom's not answering, so they're gonna take her straight to the 20.
If not, CYFD it is.
Yeah.
Face right here.
And then,
I don't have nothing on it. I don't have nothing on it.
Well, I'm not trusting you after what the fuck just threw.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
do you understand how dumb that was? Look at me. What are you thinking, dude?
Please just sit back.
No.
I already
After
told
all
you
that
no.
bullshit, bro.
Nah. You understand? Like, I have 27 suspended. Can I just say
You have
goodbye?
what?
27 years suspended, dude.
So what are you doing, dude?
Can I please just say goodbye, dude?
Face the car.
Please, sir.
Dude, don't.
No, you're
dude.
not gonna say bye. You ran from us. You pulled out a gun, which could have ended very badly. You were driving like an asshole, putting all these people's lives in risk while it's raining, and you want us to do you a favor? Absolutely not. Trying to be a man.
Yeah, I know. I remember. I have to go sit down. Anything like that. I just.
Look it, dude. You
That's what
You want to
I
act?
wanted, bro. I just.
We wanted you to stop.
That's all I'm asking. You know?